Trump has tweeted he has the legal power to pardon himself, but denies any wrongdoing in an ongoing investigation by a U.S. special counsel. His tweet came in response to a letter made public over the weekend, reportedly written by Trump's lawyers, which said he can pardon himself and he did not have to testify as subpoenaed. Meanwhile, in another tweet, Trump said Chinese tariffs and Canadian trade barriers on agricultural products are unacceptable as he continues to push Beijing to open its economy further and address its trade imbalance with the U.S.